Welcome to the SOLIDWORKS xChallenge. This video will show you how to register for the challenge. First robotics teams in the United States can register for the xChallenge at xChallenge.solidworks.com. In the top menu, you can find more information about the challenge by clicking on the xChallenge details and the official rules. To register, click Enter the xChallenge. Type in your email address and choose your age range. If you are between the ages of 14 and 17, you will need your parent or guardian to fill out the registration page. You must be at least 14 years old to participate in this challenge. If you are 18 or older, just click Next. Fill out the registration form with your first and last name, your phone number, and your First Robotics team name and number. If you are the First Robotics team mentor, be sure to click that checkbox. Enable the Permissions checkbox, then click Submit. Shortly after registering, you will receive an email from Dassault Systems inviting you to join the 3D Experience platform. Click the link to create a new 3D passport. Your email address should already be on the registration form. Fill out the rest of the registration form, and you are now ready to log into the 3D Experience platform. If you already have a My SolidWorks account with the same email address that you used to register for the xChallenge, then you can use those same credentials to log into the 3D Experience platform. If you participated in the 2018 SolidWorks X Design Challenge for FRC teams, in which teams designed a moonlander, then you would have already created a 3D Experience ID. You can log into the 3D Experience platform using those same credentials. Upon logging in for the first time, you will need to accept the terms of use. Notice the pop-up tutorial. This will provide some infographics that will help you navigate the 3D Experience platform. Now you have access to the xChallenge community, where you can engage with other FRC teams and the SolidWorks team. You are now free to start exploring the 3D Experience platform. To learn more about how to get started on the platform, watch our next video.